Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I am going to do a weird pull today. I got one of these the other day when I was looking for an apple core, and I thought those holes would be so neat to try to pour through. So I've already mixed up my resin because y'all don't really need to see me do that. So I am, let me see where I put that cup. I've mixed up my resin. Yeah, gotta move my phone. Okay, now I'm just going to heat it up and move it around a little bit. Don't forget, blow your heat gun away from your piece for about 5 seconds to blow out your dust boogers. I've mixed up 3 colors today. 2 of them are silk acrylic glaze, black ice, and the other one is autumn leaf, and I'm using a silver from Lagares. It's not in a container, it's just a little bag that somebody gave me that I thought would look nice with this. And I just wanted to put some clear down just so the resin has a way to move. In case you're wondering, yes, I just did another pour, but you're not going to see that one till the end of the month. Okay, let me mix up my colors real quick. I am using the Fama wood glaze coat because I've got quite a few bottles of it that I'm trying to use up. So I thought for these little ones it would work. I only mixed up like 3 ounces of this stuff, so. Now because I had stirred the pigment in the jar, I got to scrape off, see it's all stuck to the stick, so I got to scrape off the side of the stick to get it off of there. Then I got to scrape it down into the resin. I don't have a whole lot of resin that I'm going to put on there, because it's not that big of a canvas. It's just a 6x6. I did prep it with the the Mod Podge hard finisher and taped it and put things on the back. Okay, now I'm going to set that down in the middle. I can feel my finger in the that's some of the black. Then I'm going to put some of the silver in. It might all shoot. Stick stuck to my glove. I will lift it up a little bit once I get all these colors in there. Now I can't scrape out my cup because I need one hand to hold this or it'll tilt over. And there's my silver. And I will lift it up a little bit so the colors can ooze out. I can see it a little bit and I'm not sure. Okay, now I'm going to lift it up so it all comes out those little holes. And it didn't make a design. Oh well. So let me just put that right there because I'm just going to let it drain. Yeah, I got some, I didn't mix up the black good enough. I don't know. See, I wasn't sure. I thought it could be used in resin, but maybe not. So, thank God it's only a piece like this. Okay, now I'm just going to pop the air bubbles. And I am going to blow it a little bit. So with resin, it looks like that, this little, I forgot, oh, it's a little thing that you would use to get, lemon juice out of something. Where you would put the thing, that cut lemon in there. So it's a lemon juicer. But it only costs $1. Okay, I can see that my pieces, I can see chunks in there, so I got just a tiny bit in there that I can scrape out now. So I'm just going to put some drops of color around, or try to. And maybe blow them out a little bit. Because, see, I don't know if this was failed because it was a, okay, I don't have enough to do lines, so I'll just put the color on there and hope for the best, I guess you could say. Okay. Well, this is about all I'm going to get. I probably shouldn't have used that black and that autumn leaf. So anyway, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. I'd like for you to come back and watch some more of my videos, so click the little notifications bell. I don't know. Ah, it's dripping. It's still very, very warm. So click the little notifications bell so you'll know when I put up another video. I do a lot of resin, I do some acrylics, and I do some alcohol inks. So hopefully, if you like this video, I gotta break those up. Those are bugging the bejesus out of me. Okay, well, it's more like mud now than anything, so I'll probably, after it dries, I'll probably pour over it with something else. So, I love the resin right out of you guys, and I hope that I see you in the next video. So, all I can say for now is bye.